Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can play a game on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone and I'm going to show you how we can play a game on this Instagram application. And for your information guys, I have just found out that we can play a game on Instagram. So I didn't know before. But now I'm going to show you how you can play the game. So you can go to your Instagram direct messages guys and you can choose a friend you want to ask to play a game. For example, I'm going to select this one, and then if you want to play a game you can type in one emoji. Go to the emoji section and then you can choose an emoji, but just one, like this, and you're going to send it to your friend and you can simply click on the emoji like this and the simple game will be created for you like this. Oops, sorry, game over. I'm going to play again and you can play with your friends guys. You can ask your friend to play this game and let's see the winner. Okay, I'm just going to play it again. Oops, sorry. Okay, and basically guys, to get this game you just need to type in emoji. Okay, and you can get the score as high as you can. Okay, and I'm going to show you another emoji. You can use an emoji that you want. I'm going to choose basketball emoji and I'm going to send it to my friend to challenge my friend to play this game. Okay. Okay, it's really fun guys, you need to try. Okay. Oops. Wow. Okay, basically you just need to use emoji to play this game. And you can click on challenge your friend to remind them. Just click on challenge like this to notify your friend that you want to play a game. Okay guys, and that's all the way to play a game on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!